Ever feel like your plants are trying to tell you something, but you just can't figure out what it is? Well, you might be making some common mistakes that are secretly harming them. Stay around, because today I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to do to save your plants. By the end of this video, your plants will be happier and healthier than ever. Taking care of plants can be a bit of a mystery, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned plant parent, these tips will help you avoid the pitfalls and keep your greenery thriving. Let's jump right into it. 1. Watering correctly. First up, watering. It sounds straightforward, right? But here's the thing, many of us either drown our plants with too much water or leave them thirsty for days. The secret is consistency and understanding your plant's needs. Use your finger to check the soil moisture. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. And make sure to water thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain out. Did you know some plants, like succulents, store water in their leaves? Overwatering them can actually cause them to rot. 2. Proper lighting. Next, let's shine some light on light. Plants need the right amount and type of light to grow strong and healthy. Observe your plants. If they're getting too much light, you might see yellow or scorched leaves. Too little light. You'll notice leggy, stretched out growth. Some plants, like snake plants, can tolerate low light conditions, making them perfect for rooms with little natural light. 3. Feeding your plants. Just like us, plants need nutrients to grow. But feeding them isn't as simple as dumping fertilizer. Use a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer during the growing season, typically spring and summer. Follow the instructions, more isn't always better. Over-fertilizing can burn your plant's roots and stunt its growth. Think of fertilizer like vitamins a little boost, not a meal replacement. 4. Pruning and trimming. Pruning is like giving your plant a haircut. It keeps it looking neat and encourages new growth. Regularly, trim off dead or yellowing leaves and spent flowers. Use clean, sharp scissors to avoid spreading disease. Pruning not only helps your plant look better, but also prevents pests and diseases from taking hold on dead plant material. 5. Repotting when necessary. Plants outgrow their homes too. When roots get cramped, your plant can't thrive. If you notice roots growing out of the drainage holes or the plant looks stunted, it's time to repot. Choose a pot that's one size bigger with fresh soil. Some plants, like peace lilies, love a slightly cramped pot, but others, like fiddle-leaf figs, need space to spread their roots. 6. Checking for pests. Pesky pests can turn your plant into their personal buffet. Regular checks can save your plants. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests like aphids, spider mites, or scale. If you spot any, act fast with natural remedies or insecticidal soap. A simple mixture of water and dish soap can be a powerful, non-toxic way to combat many common pests. 7. Humidity levels. Many houseplants, especially tropical ones, thrive in humidity. Dry air can be a silent plant killer. If your home is dry, especially in winter, try misting your plants, placing them on a pebble tray with water, or using a humidifier. Tropical plants like ferns and orchids love humidity, mimicking their natural rainforest environment. So there you have it, 7 essential things you should be doing right now to keep your plants healthy and happy. Your plants depend on you, and with a little extra care, they can thrive. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips. Happy gardening, everyone! Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any plant care tips or questions. And remember, taking care of plants is a journey. Let's learn and grow together. See you next time!